The DRA Magic Drill with replaceable insert tips continues to grow in popularity worldwide due to its excellent hole accuracy and great chip evacuation. The lineup has been expanded to include several new lengths and insert tip designs. Deep drilling is easy and accurate with the new 12x D holders. New to the DRA lineup are the KM insert for cast iron machining and the FTP flat bottom insert for counterboring. The KM insert features a unique chisel-shaped cutting edge for improved hole accuracy when drilling cast iron. Hole diameter fluctuation is less than similar competitor products. The large corner chamfer provides excellent fracture resistance. Stable drilling with reduced defects during high feed rates. Also introducing the new FTP flat bottom insert for counterboring. It ensures high efficient machining. Improved centripetal force with pilot point geometry and double margin reduces hole bending and waviness. The FTP maintains better hole accuracy than competitors' drills. Reduced burr formation with a large helix angle and corner chamfer. Compared to a conventional drill, the FTP insert reduced the amount of burrs upon exiting the hole. Join the many customers already using the DRA Magic Drill product line to increase your drilling productivity.